Hi, this is Mark Welk. Behind me is part of the wetland contained within Turtle Woods, which is a nature preserve located in Troy, Michigan. More than 20 years ago, a reported sighting of a spotted turtle somewhere within these woods formed the impetus for preserving the property and creating a nature preserve. Since that time, I'm not aware of any recent sightings, so that's the reason for performing this study, is to see if we can verify a presence, spotted turtle presence within the preserve on this property. And to do so, I'm going to be using several different technologies discussed within the course, namely mapping software to localize within the habitat, within the wetland area where I'm providing study, where I'm doing sampling, where any species have been located or have been identified, if we're so lucky. Also video and digital photography, again for sample identification purposes, again localization, and also to help in reaching the audience for these updates. Thirdly, in hard to reach areas, there's areas beyond the woods where there's Phragmites in the wetland and some open water that are more difficult to reach. I'm planning to utilize a video drone to see if I can more quietly access those areas, reach areas that are hard to reach. And the last one is actually conduct some water sampling. I've identified a couple of labs that I can submit water samples and have environmental DNA analysis performed to see if there's any species identification made from that sample. It's a little bit pricey. I'm not sure how extensive it will be, but at least I can identify the way forward and plan to share that information with Oakland County Parks and the Six Rivers Land Conservancy, which are the two parties that are overseeing creation of the preserve and its operation. That's about all I have time for now. This is Mark Welk signing off from Turtle Woods. Let the work begin.